In my previous video, I talked about turning on your two-factor authentication, like the importance of turning on your two-factor authentication on Facebook. This helps to prevent hackers or people that you don't want them to have access to your account to have access to your account. Okay, so it's very important that as a content creator and even as an ordinary Facebook user, you need to turn on two-factor authentication to help you protect your account. It's another layer of security that helps you protect your account. So in that video, I just shared about the usefulness and how important it is for you to turn on your two-factor authentication. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial on how you can turn that on, step-by-step tutorial to guide you for those that don't know where to go and how to turn it on. Okay, continue watching as I walk you through. First thing you're going to do is to go to your Facebook app. You tap to open. So next you go to your profile at the top right. You tap on your profile picture. You're going to go down. You're going to see settings and privacy. You tap on this arrow. You tap on settings. This is where you want to go. You're going to see more in account center. You tap on it. So once you come here, you're going to go down under account settings. You're going to see password and security. This is where you want to go. You tap on this arrow. If you want to turn on your two-factor authentication, this is where you want to go. You tap on this arrow. You want to turn on our two-factor authentication for our Facebook. Okay, all you need to do is to tap on this arrow. As you guys can see, mine is already turned on. My two-factor authentication is on. We will now ask for a login code anytime you log in on device we don't recognize. So guys, like I said, it's very important. So if yours is not turned on, you're going to see it here and they're going to tell you to turn it on. So this is where you can find the area where your two-factor authentication is located, right? How you get your login codes. You can choose SMS or WhatsApp, where they send you code through SMS or through your WhatsApp. So let me open this. I added my number to my account and it's enabled for two-factor authentication. Okay, so for me to have access to my account, especially if I want to log in through another device, okay, I'm going to be sent a code either to my WhatsApp. As you guys can see, it's turned on. So let's go back. There are also other methods. They have additional method here. Let's open to see additional method. If your other security method aren't available, you can still log in with these options where they have to give you recovery codes. So let's tap to open. Use this when you don't have access to your phone. So you have to turn it on. So when you turn it on, you're going to copy recovery codes. They might give you like 10 recovery codes depending, and you have to store this recovery code in a safe place. So whenever you don't have access to your account, once you have those recovery codes, you can use those recovery codes to log in, and those recovery codes are used once. So you can turn it on if you also want to choose the option. So let's go back. So there are also other backup methods where you have to download an authentication app. As you guys can see, this is recommended. They will recommend an app to download. If you don't have one, it will generate a code you will enter when you log in. Okay, so another one is security keys, where you use physical security keys to protect your account from unauthorized access. You must have this key with you to log in from an unrecognized device. Just try as much as possible to make sure that your two-factor authentication is turned on for your Facebook account. It's very, very important, and here is how you can go about it. Okay, so hope this tutorial was helpful. Please, if you got value from this, don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day and bye for now.